Today we will show you 10 things that will make your traveling easier. Of course, it depends on your travel destination and your travel goals. If you're going for a short vacation or you're staying in 5-star resort, maybe it won't work, but if you're moving out to the farm for half a year or traveling by camper van or you're backpacking, those things will be helpful.
Maybe it's more like 10 categories than 10 things, because it's too many items that we find useful. And maybe you would pick some of them for your future travels. So first category, it's dry food, because you never know when the matches will get you. It's always good to have at least some snacks, but we were supposed to be on quarantine at the farm, which is far from any store. We thought it's a good idea to take basic products from Poland, because it's cheaper and we won't spend that much money from the beginning.
For example, we had some oats, raisins and nuts to make porridge in the morning, coffee, tea, pasta, some pudding and spices. And not only we survived first 2 weeks, but we still have some left.
The second category are the thermic bottles. They are really useful when you want to drink something warm or cold.
Yeah, here up the north we use them to drink something warm. It's always nice to have tea or coffee in the morning without making fire in the stove.
They also have another function, great for rolling out the dough if you want to make a pita bread, pizza or bake a cake.
And third category will be home utensils. Of course, you don't need to take everything and maybe limited amount of them, but we find useful to take some sponge and dish towel and the laundry stuff like those hangers, string and clothes bags. It's life-changing wherever you go, where it's windy and there is a risk that your clothes will fly away. And those little hangers, we find them very multifunctional and I love them.
Also, we took with us an extension cord, because if you go to the country with different outlets, you can always buy an adapter and just plug it in, and you can plug all your electric devices you have with you.
Category number 4 is my favorite. This is cosmetics, and we bought some solid soap, shampoo and conditioner from Polish brand 4 Szpaki, and I really recommend you to try this out because it's more eco-friendly, the usage of plastic is limited and the formulas are more natural, they use organic ingredients, and of course better for traveling because they are so small.
And you don't need to worry that you are over the limit with liquids.
And also I did some haircuts because I thought that it will be more economic for those cosmetics here, and after 2 months we still have like a lot of them.
Speaking about the shower, there comes the category number 5, the slim towels. Their biggest advantage is that they don't take up a lot of space.
And you can find even smaller, the pocket size, and we have those ones and we're satisfied. And they also dry pretty quick. Okay, so category number 6 are merino clothes that we're big fans of, and we're dressed from bottom to top, from socks to neck warmers, and we use them all the time. Their biggest advantage is that they keep warm in the winter time but cool in the summer.
And also they don't smell and they're more durable than normal thermic clothes.
They are also more eco-friendly because if you pick 100% merino wool, it doesn't contain any plastic. We prefer to use fabrics that not cause any harm on animals during production. They are great for traveling because they stay fresh much longer than normal clothes, and because of that you can limit your wardrobe. Category number 7, headlamps.
When you are out of city lights, it's a must, but also useful at home when you're out of power.
And they are better than foam because both hands free.
With the right hand's grip.
Number 8 is yoga mat. I, as a yoga teacher, like to have my yoga mat with me all the time to do my practice, but you can also use them to rest during your travel or to go out for a picnic. And I had my smaller travel yoga mat, but I lost it at the airport, so this is my regular size, but I'm sure you can find whatever size you want.
Number 9, the first aid kit.
You should have it every travel. Everywhere, even at home.
Our contains basic stuff like band-aid, disinfection powder, bandage, emergency blanket, painkillers, anti-allergic pills, something for cold and vitamins. And also you need it when you work with some sharp tools.
Yep. The last one are those cotton bags. Again, limit the usage of plastic. You can go shopping with them, you can pack yourself in one of those, and they are just multifunctional.
We always have at least one in our backpack wherever we go.
Okay, this is it. Here are the 10 things that made our travel easier. I hope you will like it and you will find it useful for your experience.
Give us feedback in the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon in the next video.
We're working on it. Bye!
Bye!